and welcome. Welcome to day 12, where we'll flow into some back bending practice. Let's get started by coming into child's pose. So come onto your knees and push your hips down. Allow your chest to relax, allow your head to relax. We stay here with no adjustments, just trying to accept wherever we are today without having any expectation. Allowing your breath to just feel at its ease. Notice how your body moves as you inhale and exhale. And with the next inhalation, we'll chant one sound of Om, staying here in this contracted position to feel that chant and the vibration inside of us. Inhale. Having a simple, beautiful intention for this practice and the lovely day that you have ahead of you. From here, slowly come back on your palms. We'll come into a position which is called as Bhujangasana. So just push your hips back and then push your hips ahead. Lovely. Try to stay here and push the shoulders away from the ears. When you're staying in Bhujangasana, don't let the ears get closer to the shoulders. We'll do this movement, repeating it a couple of times. Inhale as you go ahead and exhale as you come back. Try to coordinate your movement with your breath. That's very important. Shoulders relax down, away from the ears, and relaxing as you exhale, pushing back the hips. Lovely. Such a beautiful dynamic practice. It helps you address not just the front but also the back side of your body. We stay in Bhujangasana, keeping the shoulders down. And then use your core as you push yourself back up. Okay, we come into all fours where your shoulders and wrists are in one line, knees and hips in one line. Sink your chest and stomach down, arch your back. Contract, exhale. When we look up, we inhale. And as you look down, you exhale. Cat and cow. Finding that breath in your spine. Acknowledging how beautiful our spine is, how amazing our body is. I'm breathing with that gratitude. As I'm doing this, I'll start rotating my neck, continuing the movements of cat and cow. Slow circles from the neck, the head goes up, stomach goes down. Same thing with the neck. Try to find that synchronization and reverse the direction. If you've got that synchronization, try to synchronize the breath along with it. Inhale when your head goes up. Exhale when your head goes down. It's beautiful. Slowly coming back to center. From here, we'll just take the right leg back and cross it over on the left side. Look at the left leg and let your right hip go up. Let it push up as you're looking back. Stay there and breathe. Slowly come back and take the left leg onto the right side, switching the legs. Allow your face muscles to relax. Feel that stretch throughout. Let your left hip go up and slowly come back to center. We do the same